Hey friends, Gary here, introducing Simplifying Travel Photography, complete travel photography video course by me. In this video course, I will share all of my knowledge, my expertise, my experience of doing travel photography for more than 10 years while exploring some beautiful locations around Iceland. I will cover all things related to travel photography and also landscape photography, including over 1 hour long of content recorded around Iceland and also here in my studio. You will also see some POV on location tutorial. You can see from my point of view behind the scenes of how I captured the photos in real time. We will also cover topics such as gear selection, how to use minimal amount of gear to capture all of our photography needs, and then we will also talk about camera settings, focal length selection, composition, storytelling, and also other related stuff, camera angle experimentation, and we will also cover topics such as raw photo editing with some easy to follow steps in Adobe Lightroom. As some bonus contents, I will also include some tips and tricks on how to capture northern light, and I will also include for free in this package my travel photography ebook, also called Simplifying Travel Photography. Over 80 pages of my knowledge, my expertise, my experience of travel photography with topics covered such as camera settings, composition, storytelling, with plenty of photos. If you are interested to learn more about this video course, you can go to this link right here. I will also provide a link down below that you can click directly. And there are a couple of things that you can do to access this video course. First of all, you can do a one-time payment to access this video course, as well as the bonus content and the free travel ebook included. Or you can also be a member of my paid Patreon supporter, and that way you can get full access to this video course with the bonus contents, as well as other contents that are already in my Patreon and my future Patreon contents as well. And that includes things like Lightroom presets, ability to download my photos to use it as your desktop wallpaper, and also other tutorials, other courses, and some other exclusive Patreon contents. I truly hope that you will not only learn from this video course, but you will also be able to enjoy this journey together with me. See you out there. Thank you very much.